Hi, my name is Hari and I represent LiveLong Wealth. As far as we are concerned, we have been using AiSensy in order to make our customer relations stronger. So we use automation for updating them regarding the latest happenings in the markets, as well as the kind of actions that we take during the very same. Earlier, we used to make use of mails as well as WhatsApp broadcast messages, and the limitation we were facing is that the entire process was kind of cumbersome, as well as there was a lot of delay in the responses. So after making use of AiSensy automation, that issue has been more or less solved. And as far as the support team of AiSensy is concerned, they are very helpful. So whatever query that you have, they are always available, even if it is a Sunday or even if it is very late at the night, they're always there to help you out. So that is what I like about AiSensy the most.